Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Harris Khan. I'm currently a student at Brooklyn College, similarly to Roman. And it's sad to see what has happened. And, you know, this happened on Pakistani grounds, right? It happened in an Islamic country, and they had clear-cut evidence of who did the killing. It was an army official. And what did? They did nothing about it. They kept it hidden. Now you see in America, there's so many protests that are happening in front of universities, for example, Columbia, NYU, and nothing this serious has happened. Nothing this serious has happened, but it happened in Pakistan. It happened in an Islamic country. And the idea that we should let this be hidden is shameful on the Pakistani government, on the army, and also the arrest of 14, 15-year-old children and the women is also shameful. These students were fighting for the sake of Palestine, and in the end, they were given the best gift of becoming shahid. And inshallah, may Allah give them the highest position in Jannah al-Firdaus. Ameen. Jazakallah.